Gagajoy. Welcome to Gagajoy's Cooking. Today we're making maraschino fudge. We're still keeping within our theme of Christmas things. My little great-grandson has a birthday Sunday and his favorite candy is maraschino cherries. So he's going to get maraschino cherries for his birthday. And it's very simple. This is white chocolate. I couldn't find the chips today. Our Walmart is closed. So I had to go to another store and they were completely out of white chocolate chips. So I just got the brick and we grated it. And of course the maraschino cherries, a little bit of food coloring and a little bit of cherry oil. Sugar, cream, maraschino cherries, and marshmallow cream. And we've got to put our butter. It's a half cup of butter or 1 stick. And 2 cups of sugar, 3/4 cup of cream, and that's it. We're gonna cook this a little bit until it all melts. Now you cook your your sugar, cream, and butter till it reaches 235 on your cookie thermometer. It just takes a few minutes, like 5. And you should always use when you're cooking sugar and butter, always use a thick bottom pan. If you don't, no matter what you do, it's going to stick or burn. Always use a thick bottom pan. Now while my sugar and butter are melting, I've got to add this right quick. This is the chocolate chips, your white chocolate chips. It's 16 ounces of them. And your marshmallow cream, and you have that ready when your mixture's ready, so you can start stirring it. This is the one that goes slow, just till it gets hot, then it'll speed up. Well, we're at 235. We're going to dump it in our marshmallow cream and our chocolate chips, or white chocolate chips. Now try to get it going. Cherries in. A little bit of coloring, put a little bit, get that going. And a little cherry mint. More. I don't know why the coloring in this. I just bought it like this. It's not like the good ones, but I figured they'd choke it up. Yep, it's all coming together really pretty. Now I've got 2 parchment pieces of paper in my candy dish here. I'm trying to make it a little bit striped, so that should do it. And in it goes. Okay. push it to the corners. It's good. What can I say? It's wonderful. Now this has to sit 4 hours, so there's no way I can show it to you, but you can see what pretty coloring it is. Well, I guess our cherry fudge day is over. Please do me a favor and subscribe and ring that bell so we can get our subscribers up. Have a wonderful afternoon. Have a wonderful Christmas preparation time. And remember the joy. We'll see you soon.